Hey everyone, this is Jack Miller from Jack's Digital Ventures, and welcome to my 90-minute affiliate challenge review. On today's agenda, we're going to cover: is it a scam? How does it work? Is it worth buying? And are there better alternatives? Make sure to stay till the end because you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Plus, I also have a special free gift for you. Okay, so who am I and why should you listen to me? So my name is Jack Miller. I've been working from home and making money online for the past 4 years. So a while back, I was hit with some nasty health complications, and that was the turning point that made me look for ways to make money online. In my struggles, I tried various business models. Some of them worked, and some of them did not. But luckily for me, I was able to make enough money to support myself and my medical expenses. All from just a laptop and an internet connection. I was so inspired by my experience that I decided to start Jack's Digital Ventures. So if you like videos about making money online, then feel free to hit that subscribe button to see more content in the future. Just a quick disclaimer. So I am not an affiliate, so that means I don't receive any money from this program or anyone related to the program for making this video, nor do I make money if anyone purchases the course as a result of this video. It's just my honest opinion, so I'll strive to give you a balanced and honest review so you can make the most informed decision possible for yourself. Okay, so what is the 90-minute affiliate challenge? So it's an online course, and the course teaches you how to make money through a business model called affiliate marketing. It was created by a man named Brewer. Brian is an online entrepreneur who found success with affiliate marketing. Before affiliate marketing, he used to work as a waiter in a restaurant. Big change. In addition to working on his online business, he is also one of the hosts of the Evolved Marketing podcast. I recommend you watch that. I listen to that all the time. It's great. All right, so what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business model where you make money by selling other people's products. All right, so how does the business model work? So first, you're going to watch the videos. So the program has videos you can watch that will teach you the basics of affiliate marketing and the main strategy for this particular course. Watching all the videos would take about 90 minutes, hence the name. Then you make your funnel. So you'll make a funnel, which generally consists of a lead magnet, landing page, and an email sequence. Then you're going to make short form videos. You'll create short form videos either for Instagram or TikTok. The program will describe what you should put in these videos, and then you'll post these videos on social media. Then people find your funnel. So once your videos start getting attention, people find your website and opt into your funnel. They enter their email and watch a video advertising your affiliate products. Then you make money. So after people watch the video pitching your affiliate products, they make a purchase and you make money. On top of that, you can purchase upgrades. So the basic course is totally free, but if you'd like to make your progress faster and easier, the program offers a number of upgrades you can buy, such as a done-for-you funnel service. All right. So, how much does it cost? So like I said before, the basic program is free, but there are a number of add-ons that are offered that could speed up your progress. The main high-ticket offer that you're encouraged to buy is $2,000 and unlocks the hidden video modules and gives you live mentorship from Brian himself and more. There's more features as well. So is it a scam? And I would say no, the program does not seem to be a scam. The business model that is taught is very close to the same business model that I use to make money to this very day. But unfortunately, there does not appear to be a refund policy. So that's something to keep in mind. Just because a program doesn't have a refund policy, it doesn't mean it's a scam, but it is something to keep in mind. Okay, let's go over the good. So one thing I really like about it are the well-produced videos and trainings. So in the course, Brian is going to be teaching you, and he's going to be sitting on his desk and explaining things very well. Yeah, His presentation is done very well, and he teaches the basics well enough. So if you are completely new to affiliate marketing, you have nothing to worry about. The done for you funnel saves time, so that's going to be, you can either buy that individually or part of the high ticket upgrade. But yeah, they'll have a done for you funnel that can save you time. You don't have to make your landing page or your email sequence or the lead magnet. But yeah, they can do that for you and save you a lot of time. Also, if you purchase the high ticket upgrade, Roadmap to Riches course is also included. So that's a viral master resale rights course that's taking TikTok and Instagram by storm, and he includes it in his upgrade for free. So that's something to keep in mind if you've been hearing about it, curious what it was. Well, you can get it as part of the high ticket upgrade. Okay, but let's go over the bad. So yeah, for something like this, you'll most likely have to upgrade for realistic progress. Could someone go through the free course and not buy anything and start their own affiliate marketing business? Yeah, it's possible. It's definitely possible. You can just go through the free course, watch all the videos, and maybe supplement with some other videos on YouTube and start your own business. That's totally possible. Realistically, though, if you do want to make like quicker, more effective progress, you'll probably have to buy one of the upgrades. So that's something to keep in mind. Also, their website interface could use some work. I was going on it, trying to click on videos and things, and the buttons and kind of the font. I feel like they could be better produced. It just kind of felt awkward, kind of navigating their sites. So I wanted to bring that up. Also, the big thing I don't like about the 90-minute affiliate challenge is there's no refunds. Yeah, I understand maybe for a course like this, it's a digital product, includes a roadmap to riches. They couldn't feasibly have a refund policy, but that's something to keep in mind because other affiliate programs have figured out a way to have a refund policy. So yeah, refund policies just give you more confidence in your purchase, and yeah, this one doesn't have it, unfortunately. Okay, so what's the final verdict? I would say it's not a bad program. It's based on a solid business model, and the videos in the course outline the basics very well. However, the lack of a refund policy doesn't instill me with confidence in the program, and the interface of the website can make navigating feel very awkward. Thankfully, though, there are better programs that are more effective and address both of these issues if you're looking for ways to make money online. So are there faster, easier, more effective ways to make money? Are there any other alternatives? And I would say yes. So I have something in high-ticket affiliate marketing as well. And high-ticket affiliate marketing is a business model where you sell other people's products for $1,000 or higher. So it's very similar to Brian Brewer's program, but mine is different. And what I like about what I have is that there's no need to create your own product, no need to handle customer service, no need to keep stock, no need to hire staff. You can do this part-time or full-time. You can work from anywhere in the world. There's very low startup costs. You can work anytime you want. You can use this to quit your miserable 9-to-5 job. You can create passive income for yourself. And most importantly, you can create time and financial freedom to do all the things in life that you love. That all sounds great, so how can you get started? You can get started by using my free gift. And that free gift, it's a free online course. You can get my free online course from the link in the pinned comment below, and it'll teach you everything you need to get started. All right. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jack Miller from Jack's Digital Ventures. Thank you for watching my 90-minute affiliate challenge review. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more future content, and don't forget about that free gift in the pinned comment below. But thanks again for watching. You take care. Have a great day.